Let us learn how to create scheduler in our Spring application. To create scheduler, we need to use two annotations. First is @enable scheduling and second is @scheduled. @enable scheduling enables scheduled task execution capability, and @enable scheduling is used on @configuration classes. Look, how do we use it? This is app config and use @enable scheduling in conjunction with @configuration. Second annotation, @scheduled annotation. @scheduled annotation marks a method to be scheduled. @scheduled annotation must use either cron or fixed delay or fixed rate attribute. This annotation method must expect no arguments. This method has typically void return type. If not, the return value will be ignored when called through the scheduler. Okay, so no parameter and it should be void, and if it is not void, the returned value will be ignored. In this way, we have to create a scheduler. So the first thing, we have to use @enable scheduling annotation and then create scheduler method using @scheduled annotation. Here I am creating a simple application for the demo. This is our app config. I am using @enable scheduling with configuration, and I have a class and I have created a method do task that I will schedule it. So what we have to do is, this method need to be annotated with @scheduled, and I have to schedule this method after every 2 seconds. So use fixed rate is equal to 200. This is in millisecond. So what will happen that scheduler will call this method after every 2 seconds, and task will be a component, or we can create a bean within app config. Okay, let's test it. Just start the application context. Here I am using a Spring Boot application. I have to just start the application and scheduler will start and call this method after every 2 seconds. Let's see. First time, then after 2 seconds again it's a calling, after 2 seconds again it's a calling, and it's a keep on. To close it, we can close the context. Okay, in this way we can create a scheduler in Spring application. Just use @enable scheduling annotation and then create scheduler method using @scheduled annotation. Okay, thank you.